So, you've finally decided to start that food or recipe blog, but need some help and guidance to walk you through the blogging jungle. Not to worry, my name is Anna, and I've created these bite-sized tutorials to help you with the basics of setting up your own beautiful blog, which is stylish, user-friendly, and highly functional, incorporating all the important elements for a creative platform in 2019. There are 7 tutorials in this series, each only 10 to 15 minutes long, so you can pace your learning to your busy schedule. Tutorial 1 looks at the best hosting for your WordPress site, registering your domain name and installing an awesome free WordPress theme. Tutorial 2 adds cool gravitas to your online presence, changing the permalinks and adding plugins for extra functionality. Tutorial 3, we create an eye-catching heading, add a user-friendly menu and create pages. Tutorial 4, we'll be configuring an awesome sidebar and adding a footer. Tutorial 5, we will create your first posts, categories, and incorporate a cool recipe index. Tutorial 6 deals with designing an attractive and user-friendly homepage to display your content and keep visitors on your site. In Tutorial 7, we will learn how to monetize your blog by adding affiliate links and using Pinterest to grow your audience. Finally, in Tutorial 8, we will submit an XML sitemap to Google and launch your blog to the world. We will be using the free version of the WordPress Foodica theme, which is a paid option also. Foodica has some pretty amazing features right out of the box and comes with a ton of customizations. The homepage truly grabs the reader's attention with cool graphics and highlighted content. There are also some cool social media widgets, such as this Instagram feed. How cool is that? There are also some eye-catching social media buttons to help you grow your audience. I also love the way the user can just click these graphics to go straight to a post or page. The recipe index page is clean and functional and is totally user-friendly. Recipe posts can be created using large heading graphics, and you can even enable your readers to leave recipe star ratings, share to social media, or if they really want to, leave comments. With the help of the WordPress recipe plugin, you can also include a custom recipe card right within your post, so users can download and print out recipes to use later. In 2019, it's important to include videos to engage your audience. Foodica allows you to embed videos, including YouTube videos, right within your posts. Should you wish to incorporate a store on your blog, Foodica is totally primed for e-commerce with a functional and sophisticated storefront, easy to use and to navigate. It incorporates all the features needed for seamless online shopping. page, you can incorporate a form using the WordPress Forms plugin, so visitors to your site can contact you or sign up to your newsletter. I will also be showing you how to use MailChimp to build that all-important email list. Last but not least, Foodica's theme is completely mobile responsive, which is so important in today's world of casual online browsing. Whatever device you are using, none of your blog's content is lost or compromised. So the first step on your blogging adventure is finding good hosting. I Am WordPress recommend BLUEHOST to host your site and domain. Why do we recommend BLUEHOST? Well, it has a wide range of plans to fit every need, has a free domain name for 1 year with sign up, 24/7 support for help with hosting or WordPress questions. Compared to other hosting companies, BLUEHOST is the least expensive. It is easy to use with plenty of support, excellent security options. BLUEHOST is WordPress friendly, has easy integration with third-party apps, has customizable extras, is one of the fastest hosts online with a history of reliable uptime. Me and BLUEHOST have teamed up to offer you a special hosting package including free domain for 1 year, free SSL certification, one-click WordPress install, and 24/7 support for WordPress users, all for $2.95 a month. If you're in the UK, that would be £2.43 a month. Those in European countries would pay €2.67 a month. To avail of this special offer, just click the link to BLUEHOST in the notes and highlighted comment below this video, and I will walk you through the BLUEHOST and WordPress setup step by step. Once you're through to WordPress, just click Choose Plan. There is a basic plan and also the Plus and Choice Plus plan. If you plan on only having one domain, then the basic plan will do. But if you wish to have multiple sites in the future, you could use the Plus or Choice Plus plan. For this tutorial, we will be using the basic plan. Here is where you get to choose your new domain, so make it awesome and one that really reflects your brand. If you already have a registered domain with another provider, you can enter it into the right-hand box, but remember there will be a few extra steps to do at the end of this tutorial, and I've provided a link in the notes below to another video on what to do. Once your domain is entered, you'll be taken to the accounts information page. You also have to choose your plan, the duration of your plan. You can either choose 12-month, 24-month, 36-month, etc. plan. The longer the plan, the cheaper the monthly rate. But we will be choosing 12-month plan for this tutorial. Below there are some added extras you can include. Privacy protection for only an extra 99 cents a month. It means that once your domain goes onto the register, it's made private, so others cannot see the details. The total at the bottom is your yearly billing info and the amount you will pay every year. No nasty hidden extras, as with other hosting sites. All that is needed now is to add your credit card details at the bottom of the page. You then just hit the checkbox and enter. You are now signed up and are asked if you need any additional help. Just check no thanks, as I'm giving you all the help you need at present. Right, this is all your account information laid out for you, and you will also receive an email with the important information, so keep it safe. Back to BLUEHOST, and you can then create your unique password. Here you can insert your own password or ask BLUEHOST to provide one for you. So once your password is in, then you're on to the next step. Now you will be taken to a page where you can choose a theme, but we already have a theme in mind, so skip this step. Great, BLUEHOST has all the information they need for your account and domain registration, and the blue bar at the top of the page will inform you that your domain name is in the process of being registered and will show up soon, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. You will also be sent an email asking you to verify your email address. You have 14 days to verify before your domain registration is cancelled, so I would do this ASAP. Now you are into the BLUEHOST cPanel, totally new and innovative compared to usual cPanels, and so much more user-friendly. And from here you can log into WordPress. Firstly, you will ask if you need any extra help. Click no thanks. Voila, you are into the new BLUEHOST and WordPress integrated dashboard with the WordPress function buttons on the left and the BLUEHOST simplified dashboard in the center. During this tutorial, my dashboard in the center will look slightly different to this. I am only creating this site for the sake of tutorial and do not require BLUEHOST hosting. But the WordPress buttons on the left are the same, and this is where all the magic will be happening during the tutorials. We'll be learning how to use their functions. So let's choose our theme by going to Appearance, Themes, here you will see any default themes added by WordPress to start you off, or any chosen themes you have added to your site. I have the Foodica theme already chosen as my active theme, and these are some other themes that I've used in the past. So to add the theme, go up to the Add New button, in the search box type in Foodica, Foodica. Here's the theme. I already have it installed, so you would have to hit the install button before you activate it. When it's installed, just to hit activate. You will then be taken back to your theme dashboard, and there you want to hit the customize button. This will take you to the WordPress design dashboard where your theme is uploaded, and there it is. But this isn't the awesome theme we looked at earlier in the demo, I hear you say. But don't worry, that is because we have yet to add all the content, including pages, posts, graphics, videos, etc. I assure you, at the end of these tutorials, you will have a beautiful and fully functioning food blog of your dreams. Meanwhile, go to WP Zoom and take a look what other creators have done with this awesome theme. You might get some good ideas in what to include in your own blog. So join me for the next tutorial. Add some extra functionality to the Foodica theme. We will also be creating a cool gravatar for your site. If you have enjoyed the first of these bite-sized tutorials, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and check the notification bell so you will get alerts for future videos when they're uploaded. Cheers!